Hi, hello, what's going on? Let me make myself a little smaller. What's going on with the Dow Jones today, guys? It's quite interesting. Yesterday we had, after the physical open of the Dow, we went down quite a lot. Let me see, let me show you. Here it is. This area. Here's the open. We went down 309 points. Couldn't make it to 35,650. We had the highest volume candle of the day here, the 15 minutes, and price just could not go down anymore. We make big legs up and almost make up for the whole move. The interesting thing is that today kind of the same happens. Look here, with just a few differences, and a very interesting thing in the market is that it hardly ever happens that we have the same thing happening 2 days in a row because of the recency bias, right? People think that the same thing will happen, but the market just make it seem like that, right? So we all, think the same thing is going to happen, but it's not. Well, the difference is yesterday we had a big move down after the open of the Dow Jones. So that's all high volume. But this, here's like a European open. This all is happening in there's no buying volume. It's just the volume still has to come in. And we also make different legs here. First we go down 48 points, we go down 143 points, and then we go down even more, 258 points. So we double almost, every time. And that's why we are making new lows here. The volume still has to come in like 6 minutes, 2:30 Central European time. US is waking up and they're all going to be like, oh shit, we're down, and I expect some more selling to come. Of course, we could go here during the open, I don't know, and also we fill this level 35,600, but we did make a lower low and we retraced only 35 points. So these are the differences with yesterday. If you look at this is yesterday. Let me just make it smaller. Here's the European open. Here's the physical Dow open. And look what's happening. Just one move, 291 points with a big volume candle here. At the low. And, this is a point to go long then. But here, the situation is very different. It's quite different, and I think we don't often see a move like this. Like we are right now 170% of the average daily range. Well, we already passed it, so we can pass it more. Who cares, right? I mean, if it's around 100, then it's going to retrace, but this is just crashing through. So I think we can make it to these levels here. Still, you never know what's going to happen when the Dow opens, but it's not looking like yesterday. Yesterday was a V-shaped recovery, but not completely. We couldn't recover completely, and also right now you see, there's no buying volume. There's just no buying volume. Yesterday there was buying volume. The buyers, they were positive after all that volume flush going down. Right now it looks more strategical, right? It looks more calculated. Also, for a little while I was thinking around this area, okay, are we going to have another V-shaped recovery? Well, that happens once a month or even less. So 2 days in a row? I don't think so, but the market is trying to make you think it is, and that's what we see every day. Actually, that's an edge on itself, right? I mean, if it starts to look like yesterday, you can bet on it that on the decisive moments, which was here, it's not going like yesterday. You should not take like the first attempt here to go short, but then you see that this level, it doesn't make it, 35,800. And well, this is a short, I took it. Anyway, the open is in 1 hour. US is waking up in like 3 minutes. Well, they're probably awake already, but that's when they kind of enter the market. Still, again, I mean, let's see, what does the Nasdaq do? Okay, doesn't look that bad. Doesn't look that bad, but the Dow is just, you know, I wouldn't say crashing. I've seen it move 1,000 points a day, and that's, it could do that today, but it's definitely, at this moment, not a day to go long. So quite interesting. And actually 35,500 is in sight. It's different from yesterday. We have increasing volume go down. We do have like a third shorter leg, 258, 129, and then this one is 93, which I usually consider a long signal, and in some way it is a little bit, but look at the retracement. We don't retrace. This is just, you know, look, 38 points. 38 points. We go down 93, we go up 40. We go down 258, we go up 132. That's like half, so 50%. So, you know, again, during the Dow open, it can go here, it can go here, it can go here. I would not easily bet on a huge up day. Anyway, good luck trading, and thank you for listening, and see you later.